going on, YouTube family? I am back at it again with another YouTube video, man. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are back reunited with the SRT8 392, man. I'm super excited. I know y'all excited. This has been a highly anticipated video, man. Like, I've been getting DMs, comments. When the car coming back? To tell y'all the truth, I didn't know at the time. I really didn't know. I'm sorry for the wait, but we are finally back. It is a long story regarding what happened with this car, how it happened, and all of that stuff. I'm gonna get into that probably in the future. I might get into it in this video, just a little follow-up of what happened and whatnot, why it took so long. Before we hop straight into this video, man, I just want to go ahead and acknowledge the support that I've got for this car, man. Like, we was at like 300 and some subscribers. Now we at 570 subscribers or somewhere around there. I'm not sure. I just want to say thank y'all, man. Like, y'all been really supportive. Like, once again, I appreciate y'all. But without wasting any more time, man, we're gonna go ahead and get straight to this video. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for fire mode content, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. And foremost, man, we're gonna go ahead and get us a little warm start. I couldn't get y'all a cold start because I was already out here or whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little startup for y'all boys. That boy sound alright, ain't gonna lie to you. But yeah, man, we got the car back. The bodywork ain't come out exactly how I wanted to, but it's alright, man. I'm satisfied. That's all that matters. The door is shut how they supposed to and everything, so that's cool. I'm gonna just give y'all a little rundown. My bad. I'm gonna just give y'all a little quick rundown because I do want to get a little POV action in. This is how this side came out. I like the other side better, but like I said, my door is still shut how. Hold up, I got you. Why the door is up? Okay, there we go. But my door is still shut how they supposed to. Inside. This is the inside. Y'all, I did this, bro, and I was pissed, bro. Like, I was sitting here trying to put door panels in my front seat, bro. And I ended up doing that. Man, I was heated, I swear. Hold up, let me show y'all. So I guess I'm gonna just have to glue that back together or something, but for real, I really want to wrap these in forged carbon instead of just regular carbon. I don't know how this gonna look though. I think it'll look alright to me. I'm not gonna show his name or anything. Done. So mufflers, he got mufflers and resonator delete on his car. That's all that was done to the exhaust. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I want it louder. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I want it louder. I'm gonna give y'all a little POV action real quick. I ended up replacing this. Of course, this still messed up like that. I guess I'm gonna have to just put a new headliner in here. If I do stars, I'll get that fixed. I put a new airbag on the seat, but I do got somebody lined up to just put that back on there like that for me. Dang. All right, there we go. The lights on. Y'all, believe it or not, all I did was put a tire, because I know y'all remember from last video. Why is this thing still making a noise? Alright, all I did was put a tire on the car and all the lights went off. The only light on now is the airbag. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm excited for this build. I'm gonna lie to you. I think I'm gonna end up using this. Put on my head so I can drive with two hands instead of one. Let me do that real quick. I'm gonna get back to you. All right, man, we is ready to rock out. Let's go ahead. I hope y'all can see. I really hope y'all can see. Y'all know I gotta put in that sport mode. Also, I forgot to mention, y'all let me know down in the comments because I am getting this thing painted, or I don't know if I want to do wrap or paint. Paint will probably be easier and quicker. But y'all let me know down in the comments what color I should go. There's a bunch of different colors I can go. Yeah. heard that. It's a tunnel coming up. I want to show y'all that tunnel. I can't take y'all on the highway yet. Can't take y'all on the highway just yet because only thing I got right now is a trip permit. So I ain't trying to go too crazy in the city. Alright. Yo, I don't know if it do justice on camera or not, man, but this thing goes. I want it louder. I ain't gonna lie to you, I want it louder. Let me go ahead and get back and drive. Get back and drive. Yes, sir. Ain't nobody behind me, is it? Alright, cool. I just want to get some cool little actions. This don't do pop. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't know why it ain't pop yet. Let me see. Nah, let me stop. See, you gotta know how to do it because if you don't, you'll end up in a ditch somewhere. You feel me? You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to overdo it. That's one thing you don't want to do. I promise you. There's people watching. My content that I'm gonna bring to y'all is gonna be something. It's not just, I'm just not gonna bring no sorry content. Feel me? And they watching because they heard me probably. But I'm gonna go ahead and chill out. I'm gonna chill out because that's probably the best thing to do. I'm gonna let y'all hear some crackles and stuff though. And then we're gonna put her up because like I told you, I'm only driving with a trip permit. So MDS ain't gonna do it. If y'all don't know what MDS is, it's like, it's called multi displacement system or something like that. I don't know what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to save gas, and what happens is the car go into like a 4-cylinder mode when it detects you not like getting active or whatever. Not even just getting active, but on the pedal. And when that jump activate, bro, it is so annoying. Like y'all probably gonna hear it. See, there it go. That junk is annoying, and it sounds like a 4-cylinder too. That junk has got to go. I know a Diablo will get rid of that real quick. That's what I really want. I want a Diablo for this thing, man. Who is that? Is that a police? Is that a police? Oh, nah, it ain't no police. Nah, I don't do that. This, like I said, this ain't right though. They'll pull you over for not having an inspection sticker. I ended up replacing the front sway bar bushings yesterday because it was bad. Like the whole jump was off of the sway bar, and that was just terrible. Man, normally she pop. I don't know what she doing. Sebring. I ain't seen one of those in a while, I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at him. Yes, sir. Who is this? I know you ain't trying to park right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Man, why everybody wanna come over here when I wanna come over here, bro? Alright, y'all boys, that will be the end of this video. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, as we are on the way to 600 subscribers. Really on the way to 1K, but you know what I'm saying, you gotta take steps at a time. Also, turn on post notifications so you are notified the next time I drop a banger video on this car. Feel me? You'll be notified as soon as I drop another video on this car. Wow. You're special. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys on the next video. Gone.